Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use annotation tools on your Zoom meetings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and launch your new meeting. So if you don't have your own meeting and you're joining someone's meeting, then make sure that you have the permissions to go ahead and share your screen, because that is only the way that you can go ahead and get your annotation tools. So for example, let me just go ahead and share my screen. Now, as you can see, the annotation tools are up over here. You can simply go ahead and click on that, and now you can use a pen on your screen if you want to. You can add a text if you want to, so whatever it could be, or you could also simply go ahead and delete this right over here. As you can see, you can also go ahead and select and move it around if you want to. There's also a spotlight tool, so it will simply go ahead and show your cursor as a spotlight. As you can see, there's also eraser tool whenever you write something, and then you can simply go ahead and use that. So you can also go ahead and use a arrow tool like this right over here. You can show wherever, you can just leave your arrows right there. You can also delete those if you want to by just again selecting by that. And that is about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.